English listening practice B1 level. Listen this audio first.
Ooh, yeah. Midday sun through the window pane, typing words like drops of rain. Screen glows bright, a soft white light, making all the concepts right. Now a breath of afternoon air, find a green bench waiting there. Watch the world go slowly by, beneath a gentle hazy sky. Yeah, Key turns slowly, lock clicks in place. Leave the heavy shadows of this busy space. The kettle starts to hum a quiet tune, beneath the pale glow of a rising moon. Stepping out of the noise and the bright street light, falling into the comfort of the velvet night. Peaceful. Pages turn slow, the paper feels so light. Words blur softly in the dimness of the night. Letting go of all the hours that have flown. In this gentle quiet I am on my own. Tomorrow is a dream that's waiting to arrive. Resting in the calm, glad to be alive.
Another morning, coffee's on the stove now. City wakes up with a distant sound. The train car windows show a hazy sky, watching all the busy people hurrying by. The sun reflects on office towers tall. A little breeze comes sweeping through it all. Just another rhythm in this concrete space, finding my own calm and steady pace.